Good morning. It is day 3. We are on our way into the jungle. Still a little cloudy out, so I put on my special hat, my lucky hat, Nora's favorite, and we are gonna start hiking through the jungle. Can't remember if it's 13 kilometers or 16 kilometers today. Maybe I can let you know later, but should be a good start. It's where we're headed. Here we go. Gorgeous. Go ahead.
So right now we're getting our faces painted with these little berries that are called Mio Mio. And you want to swivel that away. You can see Nora's getting hers done right now.
Nora's going first. All right, final face paint is done. We are ready for battle today. There's Nora's. There's Teresa's. All right, we're on our way. Long jumper. Dropping down really quick this morning. Lots of descent, getting closer to the river. It's been a gorgeous start to the day. Huge waterfall. It was awesome. And we are humming along. What a greeting sign. Twix, chips, and telling us to have a nice day. Break time to peel some passion fruit. What's that I hear someone asking? Andrew, have you done this before? You look really good at it.
Did someone say that?
I've just peeled a lot of oranges. Deep into the jungle we go. More cool water crossings. Oh. We are reaching the end of our hiking for day 3 and getting our feet wet. Feels so good after all the hiking we've been doing. So, pretty awesome. We've got hot springs tonight. That's gonna be amazing. We are all done for the day. We made it. Taking a bus to lunch, and then to our base camp, and then we got hot springs tonight. We did it today. Yeah. All right, so we are here. We are ending our day, and if you couldn't tell, it was a much better, more enjoyable day today. So we are currently at the Santa Teresa Baño Termales, which are the hot springs in Spanish, and we are relishing this 37, 39 degrees Celsius water, and I want to propose the question to both of you. What was better about today than yesterday for you?
Para me,
I could breathe today.
Wow.
Yeah. And also, I digested food today.
Oh. Maslow's hierarchy of needs.
Yes. And I stayed a little bit more dry today.
Okay. Teresa?
Picking up from Nora's last point, I got all my clothes dry in the process of walking today instead of getting them wet.
Oh, she got all
Even
of her
though we
clothes
got rained
dry.
on multiple times. I feel like I've now mastered the art of poncho putting on. Yeah, the backpack clothesline. New camping innovation. The
Yes.
daisy chain is now for sock drying. It was perfection.
Perfected today.
Yeah.
Yes.
You heard it here first. Trademark. So, pretty spectacular day, needless to say. Toast! and of course, we're here right now. So
Yeah.
Pretty amazing.
So enjoy that view. My favorite was the alternative forms of water that we're experiencing today, like hot springs and waterfalls. Yesterday we were getting rained on and hail. So, all right, we hope you enjoyed. This was day 3. Tomorrow is day 4. You guys are going ziplining tomorrow, and I'll be doing some more hiking, and then our 5th day will be at Machu Picchu. All right, bye.